So you'll come up on the line, come down. You want this to have a bit of an angle, but this is a loop, and the loop is leaning toward the right a little bit. Now you want to come up quite close to the middle line and closer to this thread, because we're giving it a bit of an angle there. And then pull down. This is far more thread than I would use. I usually use 2 to 3 strands. This is like 4. Okay, then we're going to come up closer to this thread, almost on the center line, just a little bit shy, a little bit left of it. Bring down, and as you see, it's given it a little bit of an angle. It's the buttonhole stitch, and pull down. So just like the buttonhole stitch at an angle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come down at that point, and I'm going to bring it under, and I'm going to come back because I want to start down here. I think it's easier to just stay on the same side, and all you're really doing is changing the angle of the loop. So what you want to do is just maybe bring it, walk it back a little bit. Oops, walk it back just a little bit underneath. Or you could pull it through. Now I'm going to come up. I'm going to hold the thread up this time. Don't want it too big. You're going to come down that line, and you're going to come right up. You're going to hold the thread up this time. There you go, and you're all the way back up at the top. And just come down. Right up at the point. And there you go. Very pretty, very simple. It looks like it's just slightly braided in the middle. You've got your little leaf veins. That's it.